When you go on the website tradingview.com, this is what you see. This is the this is my primary charting platform, and in order to get started, you can click on sign in. Then you go to sign up, and you can put your either Google, Facebook, social media, or you create your own login, whatever you want to do. You get it set up. Once you have it set up, then you get to this next one. When you finish signing up, and you're all good to go, your account has been verified. You go to the email, you confirm your email, your account has been verified. Then you click on charts. When you click on charts, you will get a page that looks like this, right? It's gonna have volume at the bottom. Well, I just took the volume out. Well, it takes you to a page like this. Now, I do not like using this candlesticks. This is a horrible stick to trade with. Trading is something that's really complicated, and the best way to try to have a go at this market and for you to be able to be successful, you need to at least be able to see the market much better than this tool. So what I would suggest is you change this candlestick, you change it to Heikin-Ashi chart, and as you can see, the chart is a lot better on the eye. You can tell that this is moving up. You can tell that this is in an uptrend. This is in an uptrend. And then at the same time, you could tell that this is in a downtrend. This is in a downtrend. This is in a downtrend. Now, I would like to add another indicator right here, which is I'm going to add the moving average, but I'm not going to use the regular moving average. I'm going to use a custom moving average. You go to public library right here, and you click on this CM. I really love the way this person have this moving average set up, and you'll see in a minute. I'm going to add 2 to my chart. And then what I would do right here, as you can see, both of them are added. CM Ultimate MA, so moving average. The person that created this did a great job. Thank you very much, whoever you are, if you're watching this video. Thank you. So let's do a little changing right here. So what we'll do is we'll make this 200 day, and then we go to styles right here, and we'll make it a little bit thicker, because we want the 200 day to be thicker than the 20 day moving average. So let's go to this. So what we're doing is we're changing the color, because I like deep green. We're changing the color, and we're changing the font size here. Boom. So we got that sorted. So now we have a whole bunch of colors. So what we also wanna add in here at this point. Actually, you know what? We don't have to add anything extra right now. Let me just try to explain this chart a little bit. Actually, you know what? I will change this color. I will change this into deep green and make it thicker. This is better when everything is a little bit more pronounced. Okay, now this is why I say that this right here, this is a simple, basic trading chart, trading tool. Within this tool, you can really learn how to take advantage of the market, taking advantage of highs and lows, knowing when to be able to enter the market, when to be able to enter the market, and when to exit the market. This is when you enter on a short side right here, and boom, you're writing this down, and then when the trend changes, you're writing this back up.